In Portsmouth, a former police officer in that city no longer in trouble with the law.
And today, a judge tossed out the manslaughter case against Vincent McClean in Portsmouth. Angelique Arentock was there for the ruling. And Angelique, this isn't the first time McClean fought this kind of charge in court.
Right. Last July, a jury acquitted Vincent McClean in a separate manslaughter case. On that same day, he learned a grand jury indicted him for the in-custody death of Carmita Van Gilder. But fast forward to today, Judge H. Thomas Padrick Jr. believes the evidence presented by prosecutors was not enough to support the charge of voluntary manslaughter or even involuntary manslaughter.
Because you have to prove that the actions of the defendant killed the person. But both of their experts say that she died as a result of the huffing and her heart failure. So how did he kill her?
28-year-old Carmita Van Gilder, who was pregnant at the time, died while in police custody more than 5 years ago. Then Portsmouth police officer Vincent McClean made the arrest at a Walmart parking lot. Police found her with 5 seemingly empty cans of compressed air. Prosecutors accused McClean of not properly taking care of Van Gilder. They alleged he ignored warning signs of medical issues.
Any reasonable person would say, well, let's go get you checked out at the hospital. I feel like the judge stepped in. I think he was afraid the jury was actually going to find him guilty.
Van Gilder's mother believes justice was lost.
She had so many wonderful things to offer, but the court system also failed her.
Judge H. Thomas Padrick Jr. granted the defense team's motion to strike. He referred to backseat police cruiser footage viewed by the jury. Van Gilder appeared to cough, throw up multiple times, and ask for water. At one point, she said, quote, "I don't feel good." The judge believes Van Gilder looked generally calm in the video. Padrick questioned how a police officer would know Van Gilder was having a medical crisis.
This thing has disrupted my life and put my family in a tailspin financially. Did lots of nights crying because of this incident, and it was all because I did my job.
We're going to look for some level of vindication for him in a civil lawsuit.
McClean's attorneys say they plan to file 2 multi-million-dollar civil lawsuits by the end of this week, one for the 2023 manslaughter case and another for the one dismissed today. McClean's legal team describes what happened as, quote, malicious prosecution. Angelique Arentock, 13 News Now.
And a statement from the Portsmouth Commonwealth's Attorney's Office reads in part, although the court did not allow the jurors to exercise their civic duty as the fact finders of this case, it must be noted that the medical attention and care of those experiencing medical emergencies in custody should be paramount.